Take a closer look at these stunning 3D embossed wall tiles that can instantly transform an ordinary wall into a modern decorative masterpiece. These peel and stick tiles are designed for people who want a stylish interior upgrade without complicated renovation work. Instead of spending days installing traditional ceramic tiles with glue, cement, and grout, you can achieve a beautiful decorative result in a much faster and simpler way. The first thing you will notice is the impressive three-dimensional embossed texture. The realistic 3D surface creates depth and visual interest that makes the wall look more luxurious and dynamic. These tiles are designed to simulate the appearance of real decorative tiles, but they are significantly lighter and more flexible, which makes installation much easier. Another major advantage is the material quality. These tiles are made from environmentally friendly PVC that does not contain harmful substances such as dioxins. The material is durable, safe for indoor use, and designed for long-term performance. Because of their strong construction, the tiles resist moisture and heat, while maintaining their original color and appearance over time. The surface of the tiles is matte, which gives them a modern and elegant look. Matte textures reduce reflections and help create a natural appearance that fits perfectly with many interior design styles. Whether your home has a modern, minimalistic, or classic aesthetic, these decorative tiles blend beautifully with the environment. One of the most important features is the upgraded adhesive backing. The strong adhesive layer allows the tiles to firmly attach to smooth and clean surfaces. They can even work on slightly textured walls, which makes them more versatile than many other decorative materials. Once properly installed, the tiles stay securely in place and create a seamless decorative surface. Installation is designed to be extremely simple and beginner-friendly. All you need to do is clean and dry the wall, plan the placement of the tiles, and then peel off the protective backing. After that, you simply press the tile onto the wall and align it next to the previous tile. The result is a clean and continuous decorative pattern that looks professionally installed. If necessary, the tiles can easily be trimmed with a utility knife or scissors to perfectly fit edges, corners, or small wall areas. This flexibility makes them perfect for DIY home improvement projects. Even people without renovation experience can successfully install them and create impressive decorative results. These tiles are also highly practical for everyday life. Their water-resistant surface helps protect walls from splashes and moisture, which makes them suitable for kitchens, bathrooms, and laundry rooms. In addition, the material is heat-resistant, allowing the tiles to be used near kitchen backsplashes while maintaining durability. Because of their versatility, these decorative tiles can be installed in many different spaces. They are perfect for living rooms, TV accent walls, bedrooms, kitchens, hallways, offices, and even recreational vehicles or campers. They are a great solution for anyone who wants to upgrade interior design quickly and affordably. Another useful benefit is that these tiles can help hide small wall imperfections such as minor cracks, uneven paint, or surface stains. Instead of repairing and repainting the wall, you can simply cover it with decorative tiles and instantly improve the appearance of the entire room. Maintenance is also very simple. The tiles can be wiped clean with a soft cloth to remove dust and keep them looking fresh. This makes them ideal for busy households where convenience and durability are important. With their realistic 3D texture, durable material, and easy installation process, peel and stick decorative wall tiles are one of the smartest and most practical solutions for modern interior decoration.
Beautiful light.